And being we're live. It is the Kent Beck Scrum. Sam and Michael in the house. Michael, how are things going with you?
Good. Just attended marketing today.
Mm-hmm.
And we got some more tickets for website 1.
Uh-huh.
Tweaks that Federico thought were good.
Mm-hmm.
Probably discuss some of them tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we're going to do the mob today in 15
Right.
minutes. So.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Good. Go on.
I'll probably end up working on something at some point, the async bot. You got that worked out how to, like, I guess you haven't documented it yet, though.
I have documented portions of it. I certainly know, I think I know all the things are now in my head about how it works. So unlike earlier in the week when you asked me and I was like, I think I can now provide answers to any questions that you have, and that I have. I think, yeah, there's documentation, and if there are pieces missing from the documentation, it is in the Slack channel, like all the stuff. But yeah, that continues to be worked on. Yeah, update from me. Yeah, I've been into town this morning, and I have a private client who has said they want to go ahead with me building a system for them. So that kind of potentially addresses my financial challenge, and means that maybe I can avoid going into overdrive for searching for a job or other contracts next month. Yes. Also, yesterday, this NHS Wiki, this NHS is the UK Health Service. They have offered us the tender that we bid on last week. So this is a small contract for kind of basically developing a wiki and then hosting it and moderating it. And it's not a lot of money, but it is it's a great client. This is a client specifically for the charity. So yeah, that's kind of, I'll be going into London again tomorrow to talk to them about that and find out more about it. And yeah, it's sort of moving in a positive direction. If we can start to put, recognizable names as paying clients of the charity, so like Wikimedia, EDU, and NHS, hopefully that will bode well in terms of bringing in more paid projects, which will, I think.
So when you say tender, what does that mean, actually?
Yeah, what are the 10? For some reason, like the job description is referred to as the tender, and so like we put in the tender is like a kind of call for proposals, and then you bid, and you can basically put in this is our plan and our budget for the tender. I mean, I don't know.
So they're just inviting you to enter like a bid,
right?
Basically,
right, exactly. So we bidded on it, and based on these things, I didn't think we had much chance of getting it, but we have got it. It's not a lot of money.
Wait! You actually got the contract?
Yeah, we got the contract.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like they actually said, yesterday they phoned me up and said, we'd like you to do the work on it. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, great. So it's not a lot of money. I mean, I don't think we can develop them a custom wiki on that thing. I think we can maybe select an open source. The interesting thing is actually we can do all the really important parts of the agile process, just not build the software. We can like work out what their needs are, like try and find something that will meet their needs and then sort of experiment with it or whatever. But I think we will have to take a kind of off the shelf, like we'll see. I mean, I'll find out. I'll do this big discovery meeting tomorrow. But we can then, once we've got their needs, we can kind of say.
Are you allowed to say how much it's worth, or?
It's of the order of the total thing, including the moderation, is of the order of what it be coming up to $20,000 in US. It's like £13,000. That's probably not, like $15,000 maybe or something. I don't think that's. I mean, I think their bid was public, and that's the top level, and we won't necessarily get that amount. That's their kind of upper limit on the bid.
Okay.
So
they haven't really told you exactly how much they're gonna give you.
Well, I then put a specific. I mean, if you're interested in the project, I can invite you into the thing, and you can see the bid of how much we specifically bid on it for the different parts of the project and so on.
Okay.
Yeah, if you're interested, that was what I was doing in some channel. in the paid projects channel yesterday. I was saying, "Is anybody interested?" And nobody replied. I guess people didn't. Maybe people thought that I was just saying that we've actually been. They've selected us as the provider, so I should maybe make that clearer. But yes, brain on. Yeah. So in principle, we can like take an off-the-shelf wiki package and deploy it on Heroku or Azure or what have you. And I'm very excited. This whole Doku system that Aresh has introduced us to seems wonderful, particularly combined with the free credits we get with Azure. But yeah, and then we can kind of go through the important part of the Agile process with a paid project. I mean, I was speaking tomorrow about how much hoping to do it all in the open and be tuning and tweaking the wiki to meet their needs. So that's nice. So other things.
Right.
Oh, go on. I'm working through. So yeah, as you mentioned before about, I've made some progress on async voter. Yeah, we need to get, if we run out of money on DigitalOcean, we need to move over that. That doesn't. Yeah, I need to do more on that. And local support, Marrowen's done this big pull request for, God, what's it called? Yeah, for posting things to do it. And it's great work, but it also needs feedback and so on. So I'm trying to give him feedback on that, but I'm, partly with the traveling into London and so on, a bit behind on everything. But yeah, that's me. I guess that's, we don't need to coordinate anything else. It's just the Ruby mob coming up. God, I wouldn't believe I've had some coffee, but I still can't speak properly. Yeah, well, I might I'll probably stop the broadcast and leave this on in case somebody comes in, but otherwise I'll see you in the mob.
Yes.
All right. Bye for now.